No intro talk, just pure steps, and let's get started. In the first step, open Settings, then choose Face ID and Passcode. Later, press on Modify Passcode. In the next step, go to Settings. Later, select Apple ID. Next, click on iCloud. In the next step, launch Settings, then head to Screen Time. Later, tap on Modify Screen Time Passcode. In the next step, start Finder on Mac or iTunes on PC. After that, link iPad with a USB cord. Now choose the iPad when it shows up. In the next step, find the Summary or General section. Now click on Restore Device. After that, let the procedure finish. You are good to go.